skills does a Salesforce admin need to succeed in today's world?
Awesome Admin!
Hello and welcome. I'm Jillian Bruce, Principal Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about an amazing new resource that's going to help you understand the skills required to be a successful Salesforce admin, otherwise known around here as #AwesomeAdmin. Introducing the Salesforce Admin Skills Kit. Whether you're a job seeker looking for a new admin role, a seasoned admin with years of experience under your belt, or an employer looking to hire a rockstar admin, the Salesforce Admin Skills Kit is your go-to guide when it comes to understanding admin skills. With your help, we've identified and defined 14, count them, admin skills that are important to understand in the context of being a Salesforce admin. These skills include communication, user management, business analysis, process automation, and problem solving, just to name a few.
Whoa, Jillian, that's a lot of skills.
Don't worry, Jay, we've got it covered. Now, we understand that not every admin is going to have all 14 of these skills, nor does every admin role require you to have them. The way we like you to think about these skills is that it's a guide. It's a guide to help you get a better understanding of the different types of skills admins at varying levels are using to help deliver incredible results at their organizations.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of like a blueprint for success. A simple way to represent the types of skills employers are looking for in admins, and how admins can build their skill set to become an even awesomer admin.
Yes, Jay, that's right, minus the awesomer not really being a word. Job seekers, if you're currently looking for a Salesforce admin job, use this kit as a guide when writing your resume and preparing for interviews. For each skill, you'll find 3 examples of how this skill can be represented on your resume. Current admins, if you're already working as a Salesforce admin, use this kit as a framework when preparing for performance reviews, because they will help you showcase your amazing, awesome admin work. You can also use the resources provided to learn more and develop each skill. Employers, if you're looking to hire your next rockstar admin, use this kit as a guide for writing job descriptions and interviewing candidates. For each skill, you'll find a high-level overview of that skill and 3 examples of how you might represent that skill on a job description.
So, Jillian, do you have any tips to help everyone get the most out of the kit?
Why, yes, Jay, of course I've got tips. In fact, I've got 5 of them. Number 1, familiarize yourself with all 14 skills before adding any of them to your resume or job description. Number 2, keep in mind that this kit is not intended to be a one-size-fits-all tool. Rather, it's intended to be a guide that helps you select the skills that are most relevant to your situation. Number 3, you do not need all 14 skills to be a great Salesforce admin, nor do you need to include all 14 of them on your resume or job description. Number 4, use the examples provided as a starting point. Don't cut and paste these verbatim. We'll find you. And number 5, don't forget about transferable skills. Often skills from previous roles can help an admin succeed. We are thrilled to share this amazing kit with you, and we want to hear your thoughts, your feedback, and your success stories. Please be sure to fill out this survey and share how you're using the kit with #AwesomeAdmin on Twitter. I cannot wait to see what you do with this. And with that, I'm Jillian Bruce, and I'll catch you next time in the cloud.
Awesome Admin.